Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add videos in Canva. So I like to use either this bit or this video template. I'm just going to select it. Then they also have these templates here as well. You can select from this one. I'm just going to add in, let's say this one for instance. And to change the video, you're just going to basically remove the video from the background and also from the inside part right here. And then you're just going to go to uploads and then upload files, and here's where you can basically add in your video like so, and then select it and move it into your project. It's still uploading, so it's going to take okay, there you go. Just select your video and add it to the background, and also select the phone as well, and select it and move it inside. And here's where you can change the text. You can use many templates for this, and for instance you want to add a video after that, you can press the add page and then you can add another video next to it and kind of adjust the format on it as well. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. They also have these video transitions as well. I forgot to mention that over here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!